Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Lovable Pro for 1 minus 2 plus for free. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, tap Lovable and press enter. From the search result, click on the official Lovable website link to open it. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner and click on Login. Click on Continue with Google to use your Google account for quick access. Select the Google account you want to use and complete the login process. After logging in, go to the bottom left corner of the page and click on your profile icon. These will open your account menu and settings. Look carefully for an option related to plans, subscriptions, or discounts. Next, navigate to the student discount page. This page is usually listed under account perks or offers. Click on Verify Student Status. A form will open where you need to select your role as a student and provide a valid student email address. Some platforms may also require you to upload proof of enrollment, such as student ID or an enrollment letter. After submitting your student details, wait for the verification process to complete. Once verified, your account will have access to the Lovable Pro plan at no cost or at highly discounted rate. You may now explore the Pro features, which could include additional templates, advanced tools, priority support, or other premium benefits. Finally, check your account dashboard to confirm that the Pro features are active. You can now use Lovable without limitations according to your student plan. Remember, the student verification may need renewal after a certain period, so keep your student credentials ready for a re-verification if required. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.